What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to show you what happens to your hair when you brush every single day. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright y'all, welcome back. So to start this off, you ever like take some scissors and like a balloon string and kind of like run the scissors down the string, and then after you do that, do you know what happens to that balloon string? If you know what happens, comment down below. So I'm not gonna tell you what happens because I have a video here to show you what happens when you take some scissors and run it along like a balloon ribbon, you know, the ribbons. So I'm gonna show you what happens, and I'm gonna compare that to your hair and show you how similar your hair and a balloon ribbon is. Alright, so let me move over real quick. I'm gonna have it up here somewhere. Alright, so this video right here is gonna show you what happens when you take some scissors.
Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV Balloon Basics, where we show you the basics you need in the balloon industry. We're joined by Mark again from Qualitex. Mark, thank you for coming. You're welcome. And today, Mark is going
this video is only a minute long, so I'm gonna pause it in between and talk.
To curl the ribbon on your balloon. So Mark, over to you.
Are you going to join me?
I am.
Fantastic. So we'll take our scissors.
So in this situation, the scissors will be a brush. So you take your brush, scissors, brush, scissors. Your scissors or your brushes.
Pre-inflated 11-inch Qualitex
and the balloon ribbon is your hair.
Yep.
One thing you'll notice is it's already got a slight curl to the ribbon.
Your hair is naturally curly, okay? Unless you're a straight hair texture. If your hair is straight, it's straight. It's just straight. But if your hair is coarse, medium, it's curly. Alright? If it's coarse, it's like super duper curly. The curls are really small. If it's a medium texture, the curls are a little bit wider. And if it's straight, the curls are just not there. And in order to take your straight hair and turn it to curls, you're gonna have to brush. And we're gonna show you right. I'm gonna show you right now.
It's already been wrapped around our reel here, so we're going to use that to our advantage.
Yep.
First tip is not to open the scissors up and use the sharpest edge of the scissor. Use the outside of the edge. Place that in on the inside of that curl. A little bit of pressure.
What he's doing right now, he's placing it on the ribbon. What you would have to do with the brush is just place the brush on your head, okay? Every single day. Watch this.
On your thumb, 45-degree angle on the scissors, and it's consistent.
And do you see that, right?
All the way.
See that? And one more thing I want to say: the ribbon is super long. Okay, if you try this with a short ribbon, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work. All right, you need a longer ribbon. When it comes to your hair has to be long in order for it to pull and recoil into curls. You can't have a 1.5 and thinking that the hair is gonna recoil into waves. No, it don't work like that. You need to wolf. You need to let your hair grow out, just like the ribbon here. And then once you pull it with the brush, it's gonna pull out and pull back and recoil back into waves. You feel me?
Down, and you'll be left with nice
good.
Curl.
Alright, so that's all for that video. Now I'm back talking to you guys. So when you brush every single day, alright, just like the ribbon here, the ribbon I just showed you, it curled up in seconds, okay? But that's not your hair. Your hair texture and ribbon is two different textures. You take the brush, you brush every day, and it curls. Every single day that you brush, it curls. You can't see it, but it curls, alright? And the longer your hair is, the better the curl. The wider and the faster the process. But if you keep cutting down your hair every 2 weeks to 1.5, it's never gonna curl to the point where you want it to. It might curl, and it might take longer, and it might look super tiny, because it's just like, what's the point? You're just wasting your time. So wolf and brush, and then put your do-rag on to make the curls lay down. Just like the balloon that you saw there, the ribbon, it curled up, but it wasn't laid. Alright, just like your hair could curl up and not lay down. Curls, waves are just laid down curls. If you want your hair to be curly, you have to brush, but if you want it to lay down, you have to put your do-rag on and make it flat. Alright, waves are just laid down curls. If you already have curly hair, if you lay it down, it'll turn to waves. And if you have straight hair and want your straight hair to be curly, you have to brush to pull the hair and let it recoil back into curls, and put your do-rag on so you can lay it down. And everything else that you do, washing styles and applying product, all that's gonna come in, like, you know, in the future. You will learn more about that in the future. But the basics are just to brush and wear your do-rag. Brush every single day though. and wear your do-rag. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I was just scrolling through YouTube and I seen that. I'm like, wow, that'll be a great example for you guys. And you know, I just hope that this open your eyes to see, you know, why brushing is so important when it comes to waves. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if you guys want to know what video to watch next, it's going to be up here. Click it, watch it, pay attention, take notes, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.